If you are still not using the Elliott wave in a proper way or still not believing in Elliott waves, this video will make you to study more about the Elliott waves, and it will make you to understand the potential of the great tool to identify the market direction, the Elliott waves. Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today 13th September, Nifty ends this week at 25,356 and Bank Nifty at 51,938. In this video, I have included Nifty, Bank Nifty, broader markets, crude oil, silver, and many subscribers have asked for natural gas. So from this video, I have included natural gas also. So kindly watch the video fully for better understanding. So Nifty, before proceeding to the this week market update, let me share a few charts and few posts which I shared earlier, and you can understand clearly the potential of Elliott waves from these posts. See, this one I shared on September 11. 24,890 to 24,875 may give a pause in decline, and the price should hold 830 for upside. Okay, all this correction can be turned to be complex. The primary idea is the price should pause here. Okay, I think we discussed in our midweek market update, and this level should not give up. And end of the day, the Nifty stopped at 24,885, which is within our limit, and the price is now in all-time highs. Okay, and in Bank Nifty, see, clearly it was mentioned, if it is a minor pullback, the support can be around 5140, and the price comes lower, important levels can be 5950 to 5975. Okay, the lower part is 5950, and levels are based on assumption that correction has been over. It was clearly mentioned in the post. So these levels should hold. Okay, the price should hold this level on assumption that correction has been over. So what happened? The levels were 5950 and the low made was 5947. Okay, in my opinion, no other study can give this much precise levels of support and resistance. Okay, this is as per the Bank Nifty. See, this one, very interesting post. I don't know how many of you have read this post in detailed way. So let me explain this. This one I shared yesterday on September 12th, okay, at 8:25 p.m. Nifty 25,388. Even today's high was 25,433 was our initial resistance, which we discussed in previous video. See, I'll show the chart. These two levels, I delete this one. These two levels, if you are following me in YouTube videos, you can clearly watch in all my previous videos, you can find these two zones. The price rise very fast, and even that fast price action halt in this level. 25,416 to 25,386, I did not change anything. These two lines are already in the chart for almost a couple of weeks now. Okay, ignore this candle. I don't know why it is appearing in investing.com. Okay, this down is not actually maybe an issue in the chart. Okay, just ignore this candle. So that's what I mentioned here. Even today's high of 25,433 was our initial resistance, this zone. See, exactly the price halting there. Okay, and our next expected resistance is 25,500, this one, 25,500 to 25,540. All these levels are expected when the price was trading here itself. Fine. This is what the most interesting point you need to understand. So if we get a flat opening and move sideways and get support around 25,300 to 25,250, we can expect resistance between 25,490 to 25,500, right? So these are the expectations. See, for this approach to valid, the price should behave as per all mentioned things. That is opening, sideways, and the support. Opening flat, sideways movement, and support. Okay, just check today's chart. See, just imagine on Thursday, the price rised 300 plus points in fast manner On the same day night 8 o'clock, I'm saying that there will be a flat opening. See what has happened today. The price opened here only. Okay, the price not cross above this zone. So flat opening. I think it opened around 40 points, but the next tick itself, the price goes down. Okay, so the first thing is flat opening. Done. And see the price action. I show in 15 minutes. Absolute sideways, right? Sideways price action. Support 25,300 to 25,250. Today's low was 25,292. See here, 25,292. Expected all this. Still there's a possibility of 25,250. Yes, it is possible. If the price declines, 25,250 is still open. So will the price moves to 25,500? These are the expectations I posted on Thursday night itself. See, I am not posted only the levels. Okay, the opening, what will be the entire day price action, and for that valid, what is the support? Just think about the potential of Elliott waves. All these are done only with the help of Elliott waves. This is one of the advanced and greatest tool available today, and which is used to identify the probable future price actions. Fine. See, this chart I shared on 6th September itself. The pattern may get slightly different, but see this. I already marked 24,765. The low was 24,750, right? When the price was coming even very faster. See the nature on 6th September. That day itself, we expected 24,765 is important support, and the price may reach this line will comes to around 25,386. That 25,386 is this line. Okay, so this shows that already these lines are already marked and we are expecting it as resistance. This is just a sample to understand the waves. Okay, we can use the waves in a better way. We are just using it for identifying the just uptrend and downtrend. But if we use the Elliott waves in a proper way, we can expect the precise level of turning points and the characters, even other factors also. Okay, so now the question here is, will the price move to 25,500? Yes, the possibility is if the price declines, there is a possibility to price decline on Monday. For example, as per expected level of 25,250, yes, the price declines, we can expect 25,250 levels. Even if it declines, we can expect even 25,200. Okay, but the primary idea is there is a possibility of price to reach 25,250 and the price may start moving higher. This is the expectation now. And even if it comes lower, we need to see around 25,200, around 25,200 levels. Okay, below that, or if the price goes below this level, this view can be invalid. Okay, but primarily the price should move higher from this level, and even if it comes below this level in fast manner, we can expect the next support of 25,200. So this is the expectation for Nifty for support levels. If the price gets support as per the expectation of 25,250 to 25,200, then we can expect the price to reach 25,500 levels. Okay, this is the expectation, and even this zone is important. And if you know, we already marked this level 25,700, but anyway, we will see how the price is developing. If it is a proper impulse, okay, if it is a proper impulse, then the price may move like this. Okay, this is the expectation now. But in our one of our video, we expected even 2600 plus. Okay, this is possible or not, we will discuss later in a while. But for that, the Bank Nifty is the key important index. But for the coming week, the important levels to watch is the support level of 25,250, 260 or 25,200 and 25,500. This is the expectation for Nifty in coming weeks. And in Bank Nifty, see exactly the price turn from here. I hope you remember I said while discussing this part, okay, during our midweek market update, if the price wants to move higher, it needs to turn from here itself. I said this line, and exactly the price moved higher. And these two levels, 52,000 to 51,940, I marked while during today's market hour, but not shared in X. You can see this chart. Today, 13 September, when the price was moving higher, I marked these two lines, 52,000 to 51,940, and exactly the price stopping there. See, this is very important line now. So if the price moves above in fast nature, we can see some good upside. Or because still we are expecting one more lower in Nifty, if the price does not cross that level marked here, so we may expect some pullback and may start moving higher. Okay, and also you can see some sort of ending diagonal here. The thing is, the price needs to cross above its fast nature to invalidate this view, okay, or else we may see some pullback and start moving higher. The pullback can be expected to minimum this level of 51,740, and the second level can be this level. Okay, these two levels are important now, 51,740 to 51,600. The price may give a dip and may start moving higher. Below this level, the views are invalid, this high. Okay, so this is the approach in Bank Nifty now. See, in Nifty in longer term, we said that there is a possibility of 26,000 plus. How it can go? See, for example, in a daily chart, if this is a fifth wave, okay, if this is a fifth wave, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there is a chance of price to stop at 25,700 itself. But in Bank Nifty, there is a possibility of this is 1, 2, and 3. Okay. If the price starts to moving in third wave, Nifty will not stop here. Obviously, it go much higher space of 2600 to 26,200. That is what we discussed in few weeks before. So in this approach, the Bank Nifty is the key now. This is what I am saying almost a few months now. So if Bank Nifty wants to move in wave 3, of course Nifty will move much higher heights. So the next important level we need to see is how the price is approaching this 25,700. Initially, the important level is 25,500, but I believe that will complete only the wave 3, and the 4 and 5 is possible. So we need to see how the price is approaching 25,700. At the same time, what is Bank Nifty doing here? Okay, the important resistance comes to around 52,440 to 52,500. Okay, plus or minus. This is very, very important zone. The price may turn from here, or if the price crosses from this zone, it may be a very fast movement. Okay, so this zone should be crossed for more upside. Suppose if Nifty comes to 25,700 and Bank Nifty to 52,500 levels, that can be important resistance also. Okay, so for coming week, the important levels to watch is if the price gives a dip, as we marked, we can expect 52,400 levels, but initially you can check between 52,300 also. Okay, this is also important resistance. Some small stops may happen there. Okay, so this is the first resistance, and crosses this two zone will be very, very important level for Bank Nifty. And one chart I want to share with you. See this one, Hindustan Zinc, 10th September. I expected an ending diagonal, and see the level which I marked here, 475.83. Okay, and this is today's chart. See where the price turned, maybe 475. Okay, exactly. Even with the help of Elliott waves, we identify the pattern, we identify the exact reversal points, and in Nifty we identified what will be the type of opening and what will be the entire price action today, and even further a support. So everything happened as per expectation. This is the potential of Elliott waves. We are not using the Elliott waves in a proper way. That is the situation. So if you want to learn the Elliott waves in a proper way, 100% practical way, register my course. I give all the details in the description. See, the main objective of our Elliott wave trading or Elliott wave analysis is to identify the turning points, and the my course main objective is to identify those turning points. So it will make you easier in your stock analysis. See, the index analysis is a little difficult. You should combine other factors, global news. Okay, even with those informations, we are identifying this much precise levels. So just the same knowledge when we apply in the stock, it is much simpler and easier. So I give details of my website and course details in the description. Have a glance, and if you wish, you can register and get the access immediately and start learning the advanced tool Elliottwave. Fine. Next, we are going to see the broader markets. See, the expectation is much higher in small cap 22,000. For that, the legs need to extend. Okay. For that, the bank Nifty need to move in wave 3. That's the only way now. But for now, the price needs to come out of this prior high, or else it may go sideways and move higher, because mid cap 150 already move above this level, and we expect an important level of mid cap 150 to 22,530 and 22,800. So this is most important level, and the price may stop at these levels, and 22,800 is most important level. We need to see how the price reacting there. And regarding the previous week update, yes, small cap, see these two lines, we expected exactly the price take support, and even mid cap 150 also taking from our expected support and not give the clue of wave C. Okay, still the price moving in higher. So these levels are important in upside. So this is the update on broader markets. And now coming to the crude oil. See, this is little complicated structure now. There are chances of moving upside. At the same time, the price may break down and go lower. That's why I said the important levels for 66 to 67. The low as of now is 65.5, but still I guess there is a possibility of one more equal low or slightly lower low below this 65.3, and may start moving higher. See, the negative view may come only breaking below this low of 63.6 something. You can check in your chart, the lowest point. Even though it's a bearish structure ABC, there is a possibility of price moving like this, A, B, C, D, E, okay, and then even come lower. So some sort of pullback can be expected if the 63 level not give up. In shorter term, yes, there is a possibility of one more equal low and may start moving higher. But it gives up 63, then the trend can change to negative. So this is the update on crude oil and silver. See, yes, this one I showed a lot of times that where I entered, exit, everything. And even in our previous weekend analysis, I said that even though the price reached 61.8%, the price may come one more lower. And even while during in discussing during the live price action, the price give a one more low, and I marked this line 27.8, and I not even changed any line here. This is the support zone. Okay, 28 to 27.8. This two zone will be the important support zone. The price, as expected, came below this point, but to be frank, I expected this low, 27.8. Anyway, these two levels are the important support zone. The price has turned from this level. Okay, and then price started moving higher. See, possibly the price may reach 32 to 32.16 as per this price action. It can be 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5 are directly moving higher. We need to see, but the initial expectation is $32 to 32.160. Yes, of course, the price can reach $34, but we will discuss on next weekend. The next expected level is 32 to 32.16, maybe this prior high. Okay, as per this wave pattern, there's a chance of reaching this zone, maybe after a pullback or directly moving higher. That we need to see. Okay, this is the update on silver, and the next one is natural gas. Before discussing the natural gas, I would like to show very few charts to understand the background of analyzing the natural gas and how we analyze that. Okay, see, this one I already shown in the video. This one analyzed on 5th April. This is a long-term chart. So just imagine and think that which technical analysis can give this analysis. Okay, on 5th April, we expected that the price to reach get support between 1.896 to 1.792 and move higher and come one more lower. Even that level is 1.430. See, this is on 5th April 2023, and after 1 year, okay, this is on 21st July. I will show both the charts now. Expected low is 1.896 here, 1.896. Actual low 1.944, close to that, and a bounce in wave 4, and one more low to 1.430. The actual low was 1.482. See, almost to the same level. Anyway, after the end of wave 4, we will have a new calculations, but even though on 5th April we expected 1.430, and even after the wave, okay, a pullback and come lower even to the precise level, and the price started moving higher and almost doubled. Okay, so this is what all about Elliott waves. You can do this, and I teach in my course everything I know in Elliott waves. Whatever I know in Elliott waves, I have taught in my course, and even if I know new things, a new experience, I will add those videos in the value added new sessions. Okay, so the objective is you will become expert in the Elliott wave. Not only analysis, not only the direction. We can identify the direction, the nature, the precise level, what is the turning point. So we need to use the full potential of waves. So this is on longer term chart, and I come to shorter term chart. Okay, this one I shared to one of my learner on 21st July. This is on 4 hours. Yeah, same concept. In previous we discussed on a daily chart. This one on 4 hours. See a pullback and come lower to 1.911. This also already discussed on 21st July. When the price was trading around 2.123, we expected these levels. See what has happened. The price rejected at 2.295. See, the expected level is 38% or 50%. At 50% comes to 2.388, and the price turned at 2.295 and come lower to 1.911, which was already analyzed on 21st July. Okay, see 21st July, and this one on 8th August, it came to 1.911 and start moving higher. This is what I am calling it as turning points. Each and every turning points. If you are watching my video for the first time, you can check my previous videos. I have shown multiple times how to identify the turning points. Okay, and even this one after 28th August, okay, after the price turned from here, one of our follower asked for a query that what is the possibility of natural gas, and see, I said price taking support at important level. Crossing this line confirms a more upside, and if moves as anticipated, the price can reach here 2.422 when the price was trading on 2.106, and you can see the price almost at 2.422. Okay, See, the method is same, the analysis is same. You can apply in all the charts, commodities, stocks, or cryptos. Okay, all we need is a price and a volume. That is very, very important because Elliott wave is based on mass psychology. So volume is essential. So what is the expectation now? As analyzed on August, the price approaching 2.422. Okay, now it is currently trading at 2.380. See this level 2.422. This is very important zone. This is very important zone. If it is ABC, the price mostly will reject here itself. If it is ABC, okay. But if the price wants to move higher because it's already a completion of correction, possibly, this price can give a simple pause here or directly break out from here. Okay, you need to wait for this clear direction here. If it moves fast, then we can expect 2.5 to 2.6 here. Okay, in black. And the first thing is this point. 2.5 to 2.6. These are the important levels we can expect. But for that, the price, we need to see whether it is breaking out directly or after a pullback. But if it rejects here, okay, this is a very important zone. If the price rejects and come below this point, okay, below this point, then this can be only ABC and further new low can be anticipated. Okay, that's the secondary option, but we will see how the price is reacting there. Okay, so this is the update on natural gas. So we discussed Nifty, Bank Nifty, broader markets, crude oil, silver, and natural gas, and I showed a few examples. These are very, very few, and I call it as only samples. I have thousands of charts with me, and see, the thing is, Elliott Wave is most advanced study, and many are fearing that it is very complicated. No, I made it very, very simple. Even if you are new to Elliott Wave, you can understand in very easy way, 100% practical manner. All concept I explained only through the charts. I have used approximately 350 plus charts in the course part itself, and there are a lot of charts are still updated and more videos are added regularly to the course part, so you will be updated and you will have a continuous learning. So if you are interested in learning the Elliott Wave and take your Elliott Wave trading to the next level, you can register my course. I give all the details in the description. You can check the website and you can check the session wise details so that you can understand the in-depth knowledge what we are discussing in the course. I believe you like my work, and if you wish to get the market update twice in a week, and if you wish to understand the Elliott Wave in most practical way, you can subscribe my channel and share it with your family, friends, and fellow traders who are interested in the Elliott Wave. So thank you so much for your support. Trade safe. Happy weekend. We'll meet you in the next midweek market update. Thank you. Take care.